What do you want? MTV Cribs. Charger's there for you. Anyways, guys, welcome back. Obviously, this is Tamiwa. This is... Look at mommy. Big mommy with the bonnet. And this is... I am Temiteo Akombi. And welcome back to the vlog. I have E45.
Yeah, can I get some food?
So guys, we've so far, you know, can you give this to mommy when you go back? What are you recording for? For Megs. Okay, take it back, I'm tired.
30 minutes?
Yeah,
This
for 2
must
gig.
take a lot of storage.
For 2 gig with the memory card. I got my chicken. I got